Are you ready to go beyond the basics of rational emotive behavior therapy? Join Dr. Steve for an exclusive Advanced RBT Techniques Certificate Workshop, Sunday, September 14th, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time, live on Zoom. This free training is available only to YouTube channel members as part of their ongoing learning benefits. This in-depth, fast-paced workshop will explore powerful cognitive, behavioral, and emotive techniques rarely covered in standard RBT programs. Learn how to deepen disputation for clients stuck in rigid beliefs. Apply advanced behavioral homework strategies that stick. Use vivid emotive techniques like the shame-attacking exercise with finesse. Integrate creative interventions for tougher irrational beliefs. Tailor RBT with cultural sensitivity and modern applications. Whether you're a therapist, coach, educator, or advanced student of RBT, this program will give you practical, next-level tools to enhance your practice and effectiveness. Not yet a member? Join the YouTube channel now to unlock this workshop and future certificate-based trainings, Q&A, and exclusive RBT content, designed to elevate your skills and impact. Hope to see you at this event.